Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for anyone who loves exploring the great outdoors or simply navigating through everyday life. The best compass application for iOS is a powerful tool that helps users navigate their surroundings using their device's built-in sensors. It provides accurate directional information, displaying both magnetic and true north. The user interface is typically intuitive, featuring a clear and easy-to-read compass face, along with additional functionalities such as GPS integration, location tracking, and the ability to mark waypoints. This application often includes features like altitude measurement, a map view for visual navigation, and even the ability to share your location with others. It is designed for both casual users and outdoor enthusiasts, making it suitable for activities like hiking, camping, and geocaching. Overall, this compass app enhances the navigation experience by combining simplicity with advanced features. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this overview of the best compass application for iOS helpful.